Today, I'm going to be demonstrating how to use a sham. Wow. Okay, well, this thing is rigged me up. Okay, today, I got a demonstration. Okay, and he said he was going to give me a big sham, but it ended up with this. How do you go from this to this? Like, seriously. Okay, this was $4, and this could have been $30 or $80. Like, who does this? Okay, now, this is a useless thing. Okay, let's get back to it. Okay, look at this. Look at it. Useless. And then it drips. It drips. And then look at that. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. It drips. It drips. Okay? Okay. And it goes orange. Orange. Zoom in. Zoom in. Orange. But this is just useful. Okay, let's do the bench.
Bit much water, don't you?
Sure. Okay, now, look at that. And then, look at that. Which one is drier? Which one is drier? Like, seriously. Okay, this guy, he was very ugly. Okay? Now, he said that he would give me a big shamrock. Ended up with this. Now, this thing is just plain useless. It's useful. Okay? Now, see, look.